Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking onto a short phrase, pick a 10-30-second loop, and isolate one instrument or vocal line. Use a slowdown tool at 0, 50, 75x and good headphones so you hear details. This reveals tiny pitch shifts and rhythmic placement. Once you can hum the line accurately, write a simple rhythmic grid and a tentative melodic contour. Make sure to keep notes simple at first. Outline scale degrees, not exact notes, to capture the phrase's shape before filling in specifics. Now you transcribe pitch and rhythm together, map the melody to scale degrees or staff notation, and mark any accidentals. Tap the rhythm along with a metronome so you lock bar lines and subdivisions. Write down rests and syncopations as you hear them. Once done, loop each bar 3-5 times and compare your notation to the audio, correcting mismatches immediately. Also, check harmonic context, identify chord tones when possible, because knowing the harmony explains why certain notes occur. Finish by refining articulations, dynamics, and phrase markings so the transcription reads like music, not a sketch. Once done, play your notation along with the audio to confirm alignment. Adjust micro timing and pitch bends if needed. If a passage still sounds ambiguous, isolate frequency bands with an EQ or slow the file further and re-listen. Sometimes multiple reference recordings help. Make sure to save iterations so you can revert and practice this loop. Accuracy improves rapidly with consistent, focused repetition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.